It's Merriam-Webster's Word of the Day for August 13th. Today's word is carceral, spelled C-A-R-C-E-R-A-L. Carceral is an adjective that means of, relating to, or suggesting a jail or prison. Here's the word used in a sentence from Forbes by Bill Frist. Coordinate care inside and outside carceral settings. The word carceral is a member of a small but imposing family. Like its close relations, incarcerate, meaning to imprison, and incarceration, meaning confinement in a jail or prison, its ultimate source is the Latin word for prison, carcere. All three words have been in use since the 16th century, and all three are more common today than they were a century ago. Carceral has always been the rarest of the group, but its use has increased significantly since the turn of the current century, most often within academic or legal contexts. With your Word of the Day, I'm Peter Sokolowski.
Visit Merriam-Webster.com today for definitions,